Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, it's pretty windy out here. A storm hit us.
Look, guys. Oh my gosh, it's already crazy.
Yeah, they're all literally running away.
Oh, look. That's crazy.
A bunch of stuff just flew at me. That's a...
Okay.
Stuff is flying.
And somehow I can still feel
When you move the car, move it slow. Come from like here, this way, here.
I can feel wind.
Slowly.
I can still feel wind.
Dude, that shit was... that was absolutely... Oh my goodness, that actually felt...
A tornado might be
No, it's not tornado, chill.
If a tornado alerts on our phone.
Not sure.
Yeah, but it's actually a crazy storm, dude. You gotta send this to me, alright? I'm gonna post it, you know?
Yeah, sure.
Oh,
I'll
it's crazy.
make this
the
building
storm.
picture too. You know, it's a nice building.
Well,
Oh, I hope well, I'm questioning.
wow.
Everybody's cooked. We're cooked, everybody. Sorry, man. We're cooked.
Garbage is everywhere.
Man, this is crazy. Oh
That's
my
a bag.
Oh, floaty bag. Turn that off.
Somebody you find your own business.
Gotta get my seatbelt on. See if it was cold. Okay.
Look at that storm. Look at that grass.
The grass.
Grass.
Shiny thing.
Whoa. Everything. Oh God. What is our luck? You get good luck and then you got bad luck.
Oh, but that is.
Oh my God. It's starting to get way too far.
Yeah,
Okay, that goes fast now.
not that fast. I mean. Oh, come on. It's
Oh,
blur.
that car's going
Don't
really
blur when it's possible.
Alright. Dad?
My goodness, it's moving our car.
It's moving our car!
Oh, look.
Oh my!
We can see the wind. The
Like
wind.
sand was blowing. It's moving our car! For F's sakes, this is like.
It's a tornado.
It's not a tornado, okay? It's just a storm. My honestly first ever storm I'm in, kinda nervous.
No, we was in the second.
Dude, stuff started like, actually throwing at me. It was
Look at that mess.
a mess, dude. It's like.
Oh my goodness, the garbage all over the place. Now we have to dodge the garbage.
Wow, dude.
Dodge the garbage.
Dodge the garbage.
Sing a song.
Oh,
Dodge the garbage.